Hello guys, I have a very good news for you here. If you check my channel, you realize that I've created a whole lot of AI video here and I've used both paid tool and free tools. And one of the two I'm going to be recommending for you today is Higgsfield. What makes Higgsfield unique is the fact that you have access to almost all AI video generator out there, from VO3 to Sora to Klings to like a whole lot. And also from Higgsfield, you'll be able to generate realistic images and video in minutes. And for you to have access to Higgsfield, you can check the description of this video, or you just come here to your Chrome and search for Higgsfield. Okay, just search for Higgsfield, and then you are going to see this particular website, Higgsfield.ai. Okay, go ahead and click it. As a new beginner, you are going to be asked to sign up, and you can sign up using your Google account. You just have to go ahead and click this sign in, and then you are going to sign in using your Google account. Okay, as you can see, so I just signed into my Higgsfield. One of the new tools that is available on Higgsfield today that is so exciting is this new Kling 3.0. Is this new Kling 3.0? Okay, this new Kling 3.0 is so amazing. Okay, and one thing I love about this Kling 3.0 is the motion control. Have you ever seen this type of AI baby dancing video like this? This type of video that you see online, this video is mostly done using Kling AI, and it is available here on Higgsfield, and it's a new tool, and currently there is 80% off discount. Okay, so if you, and it's limited. If you notice very well, you are going to see it's going to expire in 14 hours. Okay, all right, this discount, and you can actually go ahead and subscribe to this plan now. Let me walk you through the interface of Higgsfield, why I really recommend you to start using Higgsfield today. If you notice very well, you are going to see explore. If you click this explore, you are going to see a whole lot of AI tool there. And Kling 3.0 is currently unlimited and one free year on creator plan. Okay, so if you subscribe to the creator plan, you are going to have access to Kling 3.0 unlimited 1 year. If you look very well, you are going to see image. If you want to generate image, and this is their image tool. All right, as you can see, create image, cinematic studio image. With Higgsfield, you'll be able to generate a cinematic image, create storyboard, sound ID character, relight, in paint. This is new tool again, in paint, image upscale, and so on and so forth. And also you have access to Nano Banana Pro from Higgsfield here. Okay, this is just you having all the tool in just one tool. I call it tool kit. Okay, that's one thing I love about Higgsfield. So instead of you to pay for so many AI tool out there, you can actually just make a one payment on Higgsfield, and you have access to so many AI tools for image and also for video. As you can see, with Higgsfield, you have access to Cedran 4.5, ChatGPT 1.5, Flux, Z image, Kling image, as you can see, Kling 0.1 image, and also Google Nano Banana Pro. Now let's check their video tools. Okay, if you check their video tool, you realize that you have Kling 3.0, and also you have access to Grok imaging. And with this Kling 3.0 and Grok imaging, and also Sora 2, you'll be able to generate realistic AI video. Yes, cinematic realistic AI video. So you don't need to go and pay for different AI tool anymore. If you just make one payment on Higgsfield, you have access to all these tools: Kling, Grok, Sora 2, mixed media, lip sync, draw to video, sketch to video. Like, there are a whole lot of things to do on Higgsfield here, as you can see. And also, that is not just all. You also have access to almighty Google VEO 3.1. Higgsfield is just one of the best AI tools that I can actually recommend to anybody out there for cinematic AI video generation. Okay, and also if you look their editing tool, you are going to see that they have Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana Input, product placement, and also Grok imaging edit. All right, before I used to pay for this Grok in from their platform directly, but with Higgsfield, you don't even need to pay for this Grok again. With one time payment, you can have access to Grok AI directly from here. And also you have access to Kling 3.0 Omni edit and Kling 0.1 edit. And also you have access to clean motion control. I love this clean motion control so much because if you want to, like, if you want to make any character or any influencer, okay, to do anything that you are doing, you are going to be needing this motion control. Whatever you are doing, the character, your influencer will be able to do it. Okay, so that is motion control for you. And also you have access to in paint, okay, and also relight. Okay, so now let's check their character too. Okay, as you can see, face swap. All right, like you can actually swap any face, and also video swap, character swap, AI stylist, recast studio. Okay, so now let's check their pricing. Click this upgrade, and as you can see, this is their pricing. The basic plan, which start from $9, and also for 1 month, and also the pro, and also they also have this ultimate, and then the creator plan, which is $37.4. Okay, I highly recommend you to go for this most popular, which is this ultimate. Okay, because there are a whole lot of things that you can do with this ultimate. As you can see, with this ultimate plan, you have access to this new Kling 3.0, which is unlimited, and then Kling 3.0 Omni Access, and also you have access to Nano Banana Pro 2-year unlimited Nano Banana Pro. All right, and if you are someone that is into filmmaking, then I highly recommend you to go for this creator plan, which is limited offer. With this creator plan, you have access to everything in all the plan, and you also have cinematic bundle, lowest cost per credit, and so on and so forth. So you can check it out and go ahead and upgrade to anyone that you like. For me, I always go for this most popular, which is ultimate plan. All right.